What if every moment you observe the world, it observes you back? What if the simple act of noticing doesn't just interpret reality, but actively reshapes it? Let's rethink our role in the universe and challenge the traditional view of reality as a fixed, external construct. At the heart of this idea lie two profound concepts: the observer effect in quantum mechanics and Carl Jung's theory of synchronicity. While these ideas originate from seemingly unrelated domains, quantum physics and depth psychology, they converge in a shared implication. Observation is not passive, it is transformative. The observer effect reveals that in the quantum realm, the very act of observing alters the behavior of particles. It suggests that observation isn't merely about seeing, it is about creating. Similarly, synchronicity challenges us to view meaningful coincidences as reflections of a deeper connection between the inner world of the mind and the external events of the universe. Jung described these moments as acausal, arising not from a linear chain of cause and effect, but from a hidden unity between consciousness and the physical world. These ideas illuminate a universe that is far more participatory and interconnected than we've ever imagined. What we see and how we choose to see it just might hold the key to shaping not only our own lives, but the reality we collectively share. The observer effect originates from quantum mechanics, the science of the ultra-small. In experiments like the double-slit experiment, physicists discovered something baffling. Particles such as electrons behave differently when observed. When unobserved, they exist as waves, spread out in probabilities. But when measured, they collapse into specific points, acting as particles. This phenomenon isn't just a technical detail, it challenges our very understanding of reality. The observer effect suggests that observation itself, or the consciousness of the observer, influences the behavior of matter. This idea has ignited debates about the role of human awareness in shaping the physical world. But the observer effect isn't just confined to laboratories. It resonates deeply with the experiences many describe as synchronicity. Carl Jung defined synchronicity as meaningful coincidences that appear connected even though they lack a direct causal link. Jung proposed that these events reveal a deeper unity between mind and matter, a phenomenon he linked to the collective unconscious and archetypes shared by humanity. Synchronicities, he argued, aren't random. Instead, they reflect an acausal principle that binds the inner world of thoughts and emotions with the external world of events. The observer effect and synchronicity both suggest that consciousness isn't just a passive spectator, but an active participant in reality. Could it be that what we observe and how we think determines what unfolds in our lives? On the surface, quantum physics and Jungian psychology seem worlds apart. However, a closer look reveals striking parallels between these disciplines, each exploring the profound relationship between consciousness and reality. In quantum mechanics, the observer plays a critical role in shaping outcomes. The observer effect demonstrates that the act of observation collapses a particle's probabilistic wave function into a definite state, suggesting that consciousness influences matter. Similarly, Carl Jung's concept of synchronicity posits that meaningful coincidences arise not from causal connections, but through the interplay between the observer's inner state and external events. Both perspectives underscore the transformative power of attention and focus in shaping reality. Quantum physics also introduces the phenomenon of non-locality, where particles, separated by vast distances, remain mysteriously connected, influencing one another instantaneously. Jung's theory of the collective unconscious mirrors this interconnectedness, proposing that all human minds are linked through shared archetypes and universal symbols. This parallel suggests that the universe operates as a unified, interconnected system where physical and psychological phenomena intertwine. Jung and physicist Wolfgang Pauli took these ideas further through their collaboration, which explored the concept of the unus mundus, or one unified reality. This philosophical framework suggests that mind and matter are not distinct entities, but different expressions of a single, interconnected whole. The Unus Mundus bridges the gap between synchronicity and quantum mechanics, offering a vision of a cosmos where consciousness and physical reality co-create an indivisible unity. Together, these insights invite us to reconsider the nature of reality itself, as well as our role within it. Consider moments in your own life when events aligned in uncanny ways. Perhaps you encountered the perfect solution to a problem after randomly stumbling upon a book. Or maybe you experienced a sequence of meaningful coincidences that felt too intentional to be chance. In many cases, these synchronicities seem tied to heightened awareness. The observer effect provides a possible explanation. When you pay attention, you collapse possibilities into reality. By focusing your consciousness, you draw meaningful patterns into your experience. For instance, people often report seeing repeating numbers, like 1111, during significant life transitions. Could these patterns be synchronicities, chosen by an observer attuned to their significance? Attention is more than just mental energy. It's a creative force. Research shows that what we focus on grows stronger in our perception, a phenomenon known as the reticular activating system. When you fixate on certain ideas or symbols, you're more likely to notice them in your environment, amplifying their presence. In the context of synchronicity, this aligns with the observer effect. By focusing your attention, you make certain events or symbols more likely to appear. Jung suggested that synchronicities act as signposts, guiding individuals towards self-discovery or alignment with their deeper purpose. The connection between observation and reality invites a radical shift in perspective. Instead of seeing ourselves as passive spectators, we might view consciousness as an integral part of the cosmos, co-creating reality. This idea resonates with spiritual traditions that emphasize the power of intention, mindfulness, and belief. In quantum physics, this perspective aligns with interpretations like the many worlds theory, which posits that all possible outcomes exist until observation chooses one. Synchronicity, similarly, suggests that consciousness plays a role in navigating these possibilities, highlighting those most meaningful to the observer. To harness the ideas of synchronicity and the observer effect in shaping your reality, cultivating awareness is a crucial first step. Paying close attention to your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings can help you notice subtle connections that might otherwise go unnoticed. These moments of synchronicity often arise when you're attuned to the interplay between your inner state and the external world. Setting clear intentions is another powerful way to engage with these phenomena. When you clarify what you seek to understand or achieve, your focused consciousness increases the likelihood of meaningful coincidences aligning with your goals. Intention acts as a guiding force, helping you navigate the flow of events with purpose. Keeping a synchronicity journal can deepen your connection to these experiences. By recording moments of synchronicity, you may begin to notice patterns or recurring themes that provide insights into your personal path or larger purpose. Over time, this practice can help you better understand the role these events play in your life. Reflecting on the meaning of synchronicities is equally important. When one occurs, take a moment to ask yourself what message it might hold. Consider how it relates to your current thoughts, emotions, or challenges. This process of reflection can reveal profound insights and guide you toward greater alignment with your true self. Finally, trusting the process is essential. Synchronicity and the observer effect suggest that reality responds to your attention and engagement. Embrace the unfolding of events with confidence, knowing that what manifests is aligned with your growth and evolution. This trust allows you to fully participate in the co-creative dance between consciousness and the universe. Critics argue that synchronicities are mere coincidences, explained by probability or confirmation bias. While this perspective has merit, it doesn't fully account for the profound sense of meaning many experience in these moments. Similarly, the observer effect remains a subject of debate among physicists. Some interpretations suggest that observation doesn't create reality, but merely reveals it. Others see the observer effect as evidence of consciousness's active role in shaping existence. These debates highlight the mystery at the heart of these phenomena, inviting both curiosity and humility as we explore their implications. Far from being passive onlookers, we are participants in the unfolding of reality. Through observation, intention, and awareness, we shape the patterns of our lives.